On most key records and transactions throughout Spire, you can create any number of customizable field types and labels to include specialized information for your procedures or industry when the optional user-defined field module is used. When editing a record that supports these fields, open the User-Defined tab to see them, or in some cases, a Show UDF button is used instead. There will be one or more subtabs with as many extra fields as you specify, using different data types such as text, dates, numbers, and checkboxes. Fields can be defined to require a non-blank value, indicated by a star with a label, where if you attempt to save the record if the value is blank, an error will appear. Some field types allow verification of the entered value. Date and numeric fields can be set to prevent saving a value outside of a specified range. Text fields can be set to prevent typing certain characters in specific positions of the field. Stock reports in Spire do not print user-defined field values, but you can modify the reports in order to print this information. If you have security rights to configure user-defined fields, you can see the UDF Properties button to create or make changes to these tabs or fields. The UDF Structure screen lists the fields already created, perhaps organized within separate pages that you specify. If you want to create a new tab, click the New Page button to enter the tab label. When this is saved, you can see it at the bottom. You can organize both pages and fields by selecting, dragging, and dropping the object to the desired location. And when you save the structure, the Edit screen will be closed and the new tab will now be visible. Either tabs or fields can be edited to make changes, or deleted if no longer used. Create a new field by highlighting the tab name where you want it to go and click the New Field button. Each user-defined field requires a unique field name with no spaces or special characters for internal identification, and a label to best indicate to users what the field value is for. Choose the type of data you want to use. There are two different text field types, for smaller text or larger multi-line text entry. Text fields support straightforward value entry as a text box, or can be configured as a drop-down field where predefined values are selected from. There are 4 different numeric field types that have different formatting for display, and all of them except integers allow setting the number of decimal place precision you require. There are also selections for date and Boolean checkbox fields. Whichever type you choose, you can set any to require non-blank values when saving the record. All user-defined field data types, except multi-line text and Boolean, allow setting validation or formatting choices to ensure that unexpected data is not saved. And these choices depend on the data type. For date fields, you can ensure that the value falls within a particular period, or warn if the value is later or earlier than today. For numeric fields, you can set minimum or maximum amounts to ensure the entry is within a range. And for text fields, you can assign a text mask to specify not only the number of characters, but also what each character can be, either by choosing a mask from the drop-down for common formats, or by entering your own special layout. Specific characters are used to enforce alpha, numeric, or any character in each field position, with alphabet characters all forced to either uppercase or lowercase if desired. If you would like more information about Spire accounting, access the link in the description below to our homepage. Read the online manual help for additional assistance. Watch more videos from this playlist, and subscribe to the Spire YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.